What's up? Kakatapos lang namin mag-practice ngayon. Para sa constellation ng Science Month 2025. Dahil yung mga grade 8 ay mayroong competition. Hintayin natin tumila ulan, maglalakad dito. Ulan habang naglalakad, so kapatila muna tayo. Goal ko kasi ngayon, mula dun sa simbahan ng Santa Isabel, pupunta ako sa dulo ng complex. At sasakay ako ng jeep hanggang Robinsons. Tapos kakain ako, tapos titingin ako ng Hot Wheels. Mag-Hot Wheels na tayo. Okay, hintay mo tumila ulit. So guys, nakisabay tayo dito kay Ralph na may payong. Thank you sa kanya. Maglalakad muna kami hanggang doon. Okay, bye-bye. Naman sa may complex. Kita nyo, didiretsahin namin yun. Hanap kami ng jeep. Pero akit muna pala kami dun sa sa may tulay kasi bawal jaywalking dyan. Susunod tayo sa rules kasi good student kami. Okay. Lalakad lang kami. Ipa-play ko ulit to kapag nasa na kami. Tulay. May packet na. Okay. Alright. We're going to Robinsons. But we will ride the jeep first. Kami ng jeep. What's up, bro? Robinson na kami. Right. Dito na kami sa Chowking. Kakain muna kami. Nandito ako sa Chowking kasi walang siomay sa Chowking. Ayoko ng Shanghai. Okay. Pagkain. Mas forward ko lang kapag punta na ako sa Toy R Sash. Diba?
You have a YouTube?
There's someone. Toys R Us na. Let's go. Ito na ang Toys R Us. Third floor yun. Escalator. Escalator. Pupuntang Toys R Us. Sa department store na ako eh. Toys R Us. I'm with Ralph, Matthew, Salvador. Alright. We're finding the Toys R Us. Oh, there's Toys R Us. Ayun yung Toys R Us. Where are the Hot Wheels? Ang daming toys. The Hot Wheels. Saan po yung Hot Wheels? The Toys R Us. Daming toys dito. Ayan. Kasi hinahanap pa namin nasa yung Hot Wheels. Hanapin natin yung Hot Wheels. Nasa yung Hot Wheels.
Yeah.
F1 to, di ba? F1?
I think that
Ferrari F40 to eh.
This one's F1.
Ito F1 to.
Formula 1.
Aston Martin.
Ayun na
Original.
nakalagay.
F1.
Ayun na nakalagay.
But
Aston.
it's 2,000 pesos.
Yeah, it's a Lego.
It's MoneyGram and Williams Racing. Walang Oracle Red Bull. Walang Red Bull. Let's just find the Hot Wheels. Oh, there. There we go. There we go. There we go. Ralph! Where's that kid? Ralph, come here. This is the Tomica. Here. It's a truck.
Oh.
It's like the box of a toothpaste. Nissan Skyline. Bunch of motorcycles. This is a Hilux.
How much is this?
It's like 320 plus.
What?
But Toyota
This one's
Hilux. This is a van. R4. Daming trucks. Kaso wala na yung mga sports car. Ito yung mga display. Mas maganda dyan. Ayan o. Diba? It's Hot Wheels. Tumitak pala na Hot Wheels. Tupak. Uy, ganda nito. Hot Wheels Premium. Tupak. BMW siya.
1,500.
1,400. Ito mga iba. Ito ay 3-pack. Walang options. Oh. Koenigsegg.
Comics.
Quick check. Toys. Ito yung sa ano, Toy Story. Ito Koenigsegg maganda. Sama ko to sa toys ko. Fuck.
You can't say it on YouTube.
Fantasy. Oh. Chevy
Car.
Blazer. What's this? Oh, SRT Viper. Ayan. Oh, this is nice. Pontiac Firebird. No, it's fantasy. I can find the rare ones. One block. This is a recolor. Oh, 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 oh! Cyberquad! Cyberquad! Okay. The heck?
You can't just say that.
There's no effects. Bunch of fantasy at the back. These are my choices. Oh, one. This is a Hot Wheels Premium. Yes, nice. Ganda yung Hot Wheels Premium. Pero mahal ko, 599 pesos. Hot Wheels Premium. Pero pure metal yata.
Pure
Ito pa.
metal.
Ano to? Ford. Lightning. Ganda. I found the Tesla Cyberquad. There are a bunch of quick checks. Mahal to, mahal to resale. Ito yung sa Toy Story, naalala mo to.
Yeah, yeah. How much?
This is for King Kuda. Oh, it's a real car. Ah, fantasy. Koenigsegg. Put my choices. What's this? Again? These are the color shifters.
With what there?
This is real color shifters. Oh, thanks. Wala ba talaga nga dito? Wala akong makitang F1 yun. Nakita ko lang yung F1 yung Lego. Kaso 1,900 yun. Wala na. Oh. DLC. Meron ako nito. Dito. Yes. Ford model. Nice. Wala na. Okay. So, ito yung mga choice natin. Pagpipilian natin. What's this?
No, they came from here. Wrong way.
Oh.
This is like this.
Okay. These are my choices. Let's remove this. This is old style. Jaguar MK1. Maganda. Ayan na. Lagyan natin sa harapan yung magaganda para makita ng ibang collectors. Hindi ko type yung color. Pero really good. Kaya lang, usually, not my line. Chevy. Dami na ako. Ito top 2. Koenigsegg. Koenigsegg versus Tesla Cybertruck. This is a hard choice. Ah. Ikaw, ano gusto mo dito?
I don't know.
Hindi, kung ikaw papipilian ng segunda. Gawa ni Elon Musk or Koenigsegg?
That one probably.
Koenigsegg? Why?
I don't know.
Well, ito kasi yung Tesla Cybertruck. Ah, Koenigsegg Jesko. I'll take this.
Okay.
Kasi, cyberquad kasi, hindi naman siya car eh. Ito hindi ko naman tulay. Kasi take the Koenigsegg.
End the video?
Okay, end the video. Oh, these big ones. Gundams. Too expensive for me. I'll just take this one. Koenigsegg Jesko. Toys. For Infinity War. Meron ganito si kuya ko. Ang dami, may Voltes 5 pa. Ang daming Avengers dito. Telescope, volcanic toy. Mga dinosaurs dito. Oh, may LaFerrari. May Lamborghini, Chevrolet. A Ferrari Daytona.
6, 7.
Lamborghini.
43, 42.
Toyota Hilux. Oh, these are the premiums. Good. Trucks, buses. Alright. There's a motorcycle. Blades. Fang Leon, a Baby Dex. May launchers pa. Oh, ito yung bagong 601. May Leon Claw pa. May Wizard Rod na green. Ito ang ganda. Sino Excalibur? Pili ko Koenigsegg Jesko. Mobile tayo. Yo, ang ganda. Gusto ko itong quartz. Nabili natin yung Hot Wheels. Transformers. Nabili na tayo Hot Wheels. Saka tayo Jeep. Ayan. Binuksan na natin siya. Nakawin na kasi ako sa bahay.